Thutha wa kirabu kia Gor Mahia kurekereria ndumiriri ya kurugamio gwa kandarathi ya muthaki Dennis Oliech kumana na kiria maugite ni mitugo yake gwikirirwo cuke na oho kwaga gwikinyia mehaririria-ini. Riu Ndugamano ino no ithiete na mbere. Undu uyu weyumiritie thiku nini tu mbere ya kimera kia mwaka wa 2019-2020 kuhurwo mwaki. Ciuria nyingi ikiyumiria cia kana hihi muthaki uyu ni amukirite mushara wake oro undu umwe na marihi make ma njoherera na igeria ritu ria kwaraniria nake ni riringire ihiga. Oliech ekiranire kandarathi na Gor Mahia kimera githiru na kimanjika gia ciringi milioni 3.5 oro undu umwe na mushara utanyihiire 300,000. Maya makihanikaga rigi ya bururi gabira-ini ka maguru KPL no ikuhurwo mwaki weekend ino thegia kwaga murugamiriri munene thutha wa kambuni ya SportPesa kwiyeheria. Miario no irekereirio ni murugamiriri munene wa KPL Jack Oguda akiuga rigukorwo riri igutha inene kuri athaki na ho kuruta ritana kuri kambuni cia andu kiumbe kwiyumiria na kuhura njeki rigi ya bururi.
The only challenge is that before we kick off, we just recently received a termination notice from our title sponsors, which has really set us aback. But though that has happened, we're still going to start the league on the 30th of August. The challenge is going to be payment of referees, and then clubs will not be receiving their monthly grants as usual. This has happened before. There's a time that SportPesa had already also pulled out when we were just about to kick off the season, and I think we went like 7 rounds without getting a title sponsor, but eventually they came back after 2 or 3 months. So in the event that we think that could happen, it would be good for us. But however, we are already knocking doors trying to see who else is interested in supporting the Kenyan football.
Gucanio ya mbere itanyitwo kuhurwo mwaki muthenya wa gatano kiumia giki kuria Sofapaka makanyitwo geni kirabu gia Posta Rangers na Kariobangi Sharks matongane na kirabu kia Western Stima. Girifotera Kameme TV haro-ini. Ritwa riakwa ni Mwihaki wa Ndogo.